Hello everyone, and welcome to the Quick Start tutorial series brought to you by MecSoft Corporation. In this video, we'll show you how to download and install FreeMILL for Rhino CAM. As the name suggests, FreeMILL is a completely free milling module. FreeMILL has no usage restrictions, has no time limits, needs no license, nor has any G-code output file size restrictions, so you can use it as long as you like to program your CNC machine. Being free, it is also restricted to one very useful cut method. FreeMILL supports over 300 CNC post processors. These posts are included with the system and are available for your use. If you are unfamiliar with FreeMILL, you may want to watch the FreeMILL demonstration video to understand its ease of use and machining capabilities. There are 3 important facts that you need to understand before we go through the FreeMILL installation process. The first is that the MecSoft CAM products are built on a plug-in technology. This means that they require a host CAD system to operate. The second is that FreeMILL is just one of the modules included in the Rhino CAM plugin. Thus, installing Rhino CAM will automatically install not only FreeMILL, but also these other modules such as Mill, Turn, and Nest. The third is that FreeMILL is available as a plugin to 2 different host CAD systems, Rhinoceros and our own Visual CAD modeling systems. The Rhinoceros Host CAD system is a 3D modeling program offered by McNeil & Associates. Rhino CAM, which includes FreeMILL, runs completely integrated with Rhinoceros. Rhino CAM can be downloaded from our website, MecSoft.com. In this video, we will install FreeMILL for Rhino by installing Rhino CAM. Okay, let's get started. To download and install FreeMILL for Rhino, first go to the MecSoft.com website. Select the Try Our Product for Free or the Try for Free buttons from the home page. On this next page, please enter your name and other requested information, including your product of interest. Be sure you enter a valid email address where you can check your email to receive a download link. We want this additional information on this form so we can call you after the installation and see how it went, and if you have any questions about the product. We will not provide your information to any third party. When you select the Download Your Free Demo button, MecSoft will automatically send you an email with a link to download Rhino CAM. If you did not receive this email within a few minutes, check your spam inbox. The email link will take you to the Download FreeMILL page. Next, we will select the FreeMILL for Rhino button. This will initiate the download. If your browser asks you if you want to run or save the download, choose to save it to your default download directory. Once the download is complete, go to your download directory and look for the Rhino CAM installer that was just created. Now you're ready to install the software. Make sure you have administrative privileges before installing the product. Double-click on the Rhino CAM installer file. Follow through the setup wizard to install Rhino CAM. Now when you run Rhino, the Rhino CAM plugin with FreeMILL will load automatically. This completes the Quick Start tutorial for downloading and installing FreeMILL included in Rhino CAM from MecSoft Corporation. For further assistance, you can browse the online help supplied with the program, or visit our website MecSoft.com for additional tutorials and resources. Thank you for your interest in FreeMILL.